Hi guys and gals and kittens, and welcome to the I Need a Magic show. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can extend your custom GPTs and you can add 5,000 files. So if you go to custom GPTs and you create a new GPT and you try to upload files here, then you can only upload up to 20 files. Obviously that's a major turn-off if you have more files. So how do you do that? Well, you can actually use I Need a Magic Cloud. Then you can, I've already created a machine learning model here called Dux INERO.io. And I created it using the chatbot wizard, which allows me to scrape a URL. But I could also just like import structured data, XML, JSON, CSV, etc., or unstructured data, implying PDF files and stuff like that. And then I could provide a massage value to actually compress my PDFs to further optimize them, etc., etc. You can see some example massage values. However, I'm just going to use the model as is, and currently it's got 2,308 training snippets. Right now, that's not 2,308 files for the record, because it breaks down each website into multiple training snippets. But I think it's like approximately 100 web pages or something. So now what I'm going to be doing, first I'm going to go to manage, then I'm going to go to plugins, then I'm going to install the OpenAI module. Why? Because this module happens to contain a couple of actions that I can now use in my workflows. Then I'm going to go to HyperID, then I'm going to expand modules, and as you can see here, OpenAI was automatically installed. Then I'm going to create a foo module. Then I'm going to create a new file, get-context.get.hl. Very important name. Then this file takes one argument called query, type string, then retrieves context for your custom GPT. Okay, now I can give focus up here, filter on OpenAI, then I can choose OpenAI context from database, and then I write the name. And the name was dux_IEDRO_IO. Threshold 0.3, max tokens 4,000. And then I can filter again, but this time I filter on return last action. Save it. I remove the filtering here. I choose the foo module. I click the HTTP icon. This is going to create an open API specification for me containing one single function, being the get context string. Now I can copy this JSON, I can go into ChatGPT, I can create a new one, I can call it Magic and Hyper Lambda support. Then I can go down here at the bottom, create new action, paste in, go back, and then I can give it an instruction, use my get context action to retrieve context you will use to answer my questions. If the context does not contain the answer, let me know that I need to be more specific and provide a couple of keywords for you. Conversation starters. What is Magic Cloud? Thomas test, create new action. Let me now, just for kicks, add HTTPS, privacy policy, and then let me save it, publicly available, everyone. So now, congratulations, you have a publicly available Hyperland and Magic Cloud chatbots or custom GPT. We have a conversation starter called What is Magic Cloud? And ta-da, it's now using billion files if I want to. Our professional plan comes with 10,000 training snippets. If you have small files, that's literally 10,000 files. Our enterprise version comes with up to 30,000 training snippets. Now, if you have PDFs with multiple pages, then each page basically becomes one snippet because it will chop it up. Let's see how it answers. And here we go. Magic Cloud is an open source software designed to enhance the efficiency and quality of coding. It aims to enable everyone to produce high quality code faster and more securely in a highly scalable runtime. Blah, 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 blah. Dashboard and tools, blah, 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 etc., etc. Now let's add a little bit of a kicker just to make it really fun. Return result as markdown. If the context contains images, display these as markdown. Hopefully this is going to return images. Show me some screenshots of SQL Studio. Ta-da! And now, of course, the kicker being that hopefully it's going to actually even show the screenshots. So not only can you extend from like 20 files to 30,000, but you can also create custom GPTs that actually display images based upon your website scripting. Here you can see SQL Studio view, ta-da-da, that's SQL Studio, design view, ta-da, and the top header for SQL Studio, autocomplete, auto-migrate your database, DDL, export your database DDL to modules in SQL Studio, blah, 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 blah. And it even shows links. So now I click this link, open in a different window, I'm here. Create and design my database visually. And that's how you create a ChatGPT. You create a custom GPT with access to more than 20 files. I'm going to leave a link to this one in the description such that you can play around with it. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.